Do you know what time of year it is? Well, stick around and I'll clue you in. Hi, I'm Kathleen with the Militello Team, a realtor with J. Barrett and Company. Welcome to my YouTube page. You're wondering what time of year it is? It's property tax abatement time. And maybe you would get an abatement on your property tax, but that's only if you qualify. So you ask me, how do I qualify? Well, there's 4 ways to qualify. Number 1, statutory exemption. Number 2, misclassification. Number 3, disproportional assessment. And finally, number 4, overvaluation. Warning, warning, warning. You must know the burden of proof is on the taxpayer. So you need to make sure you have all of your evidence in place and that it's good, solid evidence. So I always do my homework before I do the video. And here's what I did for tax abatement. I picked up my phone, I dialed the assessor's office. I'm not telling you which assessor's office, but one of the assessor's offices here on the North Shore. I said, hello, hi, assessor. This is Kathleen. I'm with the Militello Team and I sell real estate on the North Shore. I'm doing a video on tax abatement and I'm curious, what? Oh, yeah, no, I already know how to do it. I did all of my research. I only simply have 2 questions. Number 1, I'm curious, how many abatements do you get a year? And number 2, I want to give my audience an understanding of how many of these abatements that are submitted yearly are approved. Oh, what? Oh, okay. I'll hold on. 5 minutes. I can't believe it. Oh, hi. Yes. I'm still here. Thank you so much for coming back. You don't know how many you get every year? Okay. Well, do many of them get approved? You don't calculate that number. You don't retain that anywhere. Oh, and yeah, okay, all right, I understand. Every situation's different. I thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So that's how it went. So as I'm sure you know, doing your research is very important and vital to a successful outcome. My recommendation is that you call your town hall and ask them some questions about tax abatement so you will know how to prepare for their process in your town. So yes, there is a process and I can certainly walk you through that. Like I said in the beginning, you have to have the burden of proof. So even before step number 1, make sure you have that in place. Step number 1, fill out the abatement form. And I am going to attach this underneath so that you'll have access to that. The second step is get your form to the assessor's office. You only have 1 month. 30 days to get that done, and it has to be postmarked. So make sure you have the exact dates that your city or town hall is looking for that information. Okay, a few things you should know. If you don't get it to your assessor's office within their prescribed time frame, there's no deadline extensions, there's no exceptions. You will not have the opportunity to have your application reviewed. Oh, the second really important thing, which probably should be the first really important thing, pay your taxes. Just because you file an abatement doesn't mean you wait to pay your taxes. They will penalize you if you don't pay the tax. The third thing you should know, if the assessor's office reaches out to you, if they have any questions, you have to respond to them within 30 days or they will make your application null and void. My thought on this is they may want to come in and take a look at your house to investigate what it is that you are saying has either appreciated or depreciated. But I'm sure most of us were looking to get something that's made the value of the property go down. Step 3, the determination process. Your city or town has 3 months to look at your application. And when they're done looking at your application, they will respond to you in writing in one of 3 ways. 1, with a notification of approval. Yippee! You've accomplished your goal. Number 2, a notification of denial. Oh, I'm sorry. 3, inactive notice. That means that your application has been received, it has not been reviewed, and through occupational law, it is therefore denied after the 3 months. And finally, if you're not satisfied with this process, there is a remedy for that too. The whole assessors departments are overseen by the Appellate Tax Board. And if you are not happy with their decision, you can complete an application and submit it to them within 3 months of the denial period. Now that's a whole nother process, and there is a phone number below if you want to reach out to them. I've included it in the notes below. So if you found this information helpful, give me a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe. I will be providing more videos in the future to help you navigate. Until the next one.